One person has died in Mumbai after a balcony collapse during a Ganesh immersion procession. Megha joining us on the phone line with more on that. Megha?
Well, Deep, in fact, according to the details that we've received, the incidents happened around 20:30 this afternoon, and it has happened on the road adjoining the Lal Bagh premises, the entire Puja Pandal premises. It has not happened inside. It's just happened right outside the premises on the small lane that leads to the Ganesh, to the Lal Bagh Raja Pandal. And what has happened, what according to the police are the details, is that a makeshift balcony, a wooden balcony actually, which collapsed at around 12:30 because of excessive load on it. There were around 5 to 6 people in that balcony that fell down. What we've been told is that one person has succumbed to the injuries in the KM hospital. There are 3 to 4 others seriously injured. A total of 10 people have been injured, all of them getting treatment at the KM hospital. But this is what we are getting to learn right now. The number of injured till now restricted to 10, but given the fact that it was really crowded, because now the yatra of Lal Bagh Raja will start from the Pandal in Lal Bagh towards Girgaon Chowpatty. So the area was essentially extremely crowded, and it was during this time that the incident has happened. But right now, the number of casualties at 1.
Absolutely. Also, the question that rises at this point is, Megha, given the fact that it is usually so crowded during immersion processions in Mumbai on a day like this, if adequate arrangements were made to ensure that such a mishap could have been averted?
Well, what the cops are telling us, Deep, is that since it has not happened inside the premises, and the arrangements essentially of which the cops have been made responsible are inside the premises of Lal Bagh Raja, the Pandal there, and that this was a makeshift wooden balcony that does not belong in the purview. It was a part of a house on the other side of the road, and so cops would not really want to take responsibility for this. And what they are saying is that people should have known that this makeshift balcony will not be able to take so much of load, and more than required numbers were cramped up in this balcony. That's why it fell.